everyone, Gideon here from drumhelper.com. Today I'll be showing you some simple yet effective drum fills that give the illusion of complexity, elevating your drumming game without overwhelming you technically. We'll start off each with a slow tempo and work our way up to faster speeds. So grab your sticks and let's get started. This drum fill was simple to play because it's just alternating single strokes, right, left, etc., playing 16th notes. And we're crossing over our hands on the snare and floor tom to put the accents in cool places that make it sound more complex than it really is. This is another 16th note drum fill, and it's probably easiest to break this up into 3 groupings of 5 notes, and 6 notes. We're going right, left, kick. Same again, right, left, kick, and then 2 hits on the snare, 2 hits on the high tom, and 2 hits on the floor tom. This fill has a combination of 8th and 16th notes, just with some interesting accents and displacement. We're also using a snare flam on the 1-and beat. We begin the tom roll on the 3E of the bar with our left hand, employing single stroke rolls. We can break this fill up into 3 groupings of 6, 6, 4. We start this off with 6 notes on our hands, alternating singles, then kick, right, left, kick, and finishing up with 4 singles, right, left, right, left. It can be a bit tricky to get this flowing really nicely and consistently, especially with the kick drums, so just make sure you're practicing with a metronome. Now we're moving into a triplet feel. These are 8th note triplets, counted as 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. This feel we're playing unison left and right hits together on the snare and floor tom, and we're placing a kick in between each time we play that unison note. This rhythmic pattern is called a herter. It's a popular rudiment that can add some exciting flair to your drumming. I like to count a herter in a triplet feel, same as the feel before, but with an extra 16th note added in, so it goes 1 and triplet, 2 and triplet, 3 and triplet, 4 and triplet. This is a staple punk rock fill, and the main rhythmic feature of this is the groupings of 4 notes, which are right, left, kick. We play this grouping 3 times and finish up with a simple right, left on the snare. Lastly, we have another straight 16th note fill, and the main pattern to get to grips with is right, left, kick. the whole fill can be broken up into two halves of right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left. And there you have it, guys. I hope you found these fills both fun to play and impressive to hear. Stay consistent with your practice and you'll find yourself effortlessly incorporating these into your vocabulary. If you enjoyed this lesson and you want to see more drumming tips and gear reviews, don't forget to hit subscribe for more content in the near future. Be sure to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Keep grooving and I'll catch you in the next video.